Hey, I'm Mike Bracken, aka Mr. Syndication. Forget almost everything you've been told about real estate. Forget the slow, safe path of residential investing. Forget the parade of gurus and rented Lamborghinis selling you $1,000 courses. You're tired of the fluff, the motivation with no substance, and the feeling you're being sold a dream but never given the blueprint. Meanwhile, the real game, commercial real estate, is deliberately shrouded in mystery. They use terms like cap rate and triple net lease to make you feel like an outsider. This channel is a declaration of war against that old system. This is the new headquarters for building real wealth. Wealth is a verb, passive income a myth. True wealth is built. I have a question for you. What's the single biggest piece of bad real estate advice you've ever received? Drop it in the comments below. Let's expose the lies together.